Hey dolls, so today I'm going to be doing the Gucci book, and this is inspired by Gucci. If you look at their handbag, they have handbags and shoes, they have a ton of patches like this, and I did it as close as possible to the Gucci look. So grab your coffee, grab your tea, and let's do this DIY video. Here's another close look at it, and watch to the very end of this video. I'm going to line up all the designer books that I've done so far and show you how they look. But this is Gucci. Yes, it's Gucci gang. So yeah, let's get this video started. Give it a big fat thumbs up. So, I'm going to show you all the stuff that you're going to need. Of course, you're going to need some scissors, some E6000 glue. You can see mine is like used up and gross. It's in every DIY video. It's the real MVP. And this is another glue that I actually am going to use more than the E6000 glue, which is this Gorilla Glue. It's more tough, like it holds things like cement. It's construction glue. You want those stickers to stick to your book. So here they are, and here's some stickers that I'm not going to use, but I'm going to show you them. And some ribbon to, you know, the Gucci look. So here's the ribbon from Gucci. You're going to be using this, and it's perfect. It looks just like Gucci. And I'm going to show you the stickers I'm not using but came in some of the packs that I bought. I love this one. Probably another Gucci DIY. I'm going to use that B because this B is perfect. Maybe some Gucci heels, who knows. Some random lipstick. This B, I'm going to use it probably like this. Yes. And then this, I'm not using this butterfly, but it's very Gucci, so we'll maybe another day. And these random lips and that, I don't even know what that is. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna ooh, imagine these in heels. Comment below if you want to see me do a heel DIY like that. Ooh, I love it. But yeah, we're definitely using this B like this. Okay, so this is one of the pieces I got on. I'm gonna put all the links down below. Look at this, they're like exactly the same type of ribbon, except from this is like cross grain or something, they wrote like that. I'm gonna take this off. It's actually a brooch, so I'm gonna take that part off so we can stick that down. But this is perfect. And then look, it comes with a bee as well, and it's just so pretty. Bees everywhere. That's Gucci's look. I didn't want to use snakes. They do have a lot of snakes. I'm not using snakes. Random rose. I was going to get like bigger roses, but I don't want them to take over the whole book, so we're going to use that tiny little rose just to put a rose in the collection. They do have lips a lot on their Gucci handbags, so I'm going to use that for sure. What else? So this they do have, and I think Dolce & Gabbana had that as well. I'm not sure, but Gucci has this, and I can't wait to use it. It's so Gucci. And I like how the back is felt as well, so it can like glue down very easily. And here it is. It's shiny and pretty. So we want all that glam glitz look. Okay, so they do use this lightning bolt thing a lot, and this looks exactly like how it looks like on the handbags. And it has like a leather background back to it, back in, and it's going to be easy to glue down. And as you can see, I'm kind of putting it together how I want it on my book. And then here's the matching star, and the background on this is felt. Well, yeah, felt. So it looks exactly like the Gucci handbag, and they go so well together as well. I mean, they're exactly the same look. So I'm kind of having an idea of how I want the bag to look. And Girl Gang, I don't know if Gucci, this is official for Gucci or what not, but I have seen it before somewhere. I think Gucci have this, but whatever, it's Gucci Gang, so let's just do this like that, and that's how I want it to look like. And one more thing, we can't forget that I'm going to use this book from Dollar Tree. You need a plain book, and I got this book to be thick as the ribbon, so that part can be covered nicely. So as you can see, it's like matching to the ribbon. So definitely get your book from Dollar Tree. I mean, you can't go wrong. It's only $1 and it's a random book. No one's going to really open it. You just want to have this book. So definitely get a book as thick as this one, and they had so many, so I picked up a lot of them for all the DIY projects. Definitely going to need this vinyl adhesive vinyl sticker thing. What did I just say? It's like a film, and I got it from Hobby Lobby, and this is going to cover the book, the ugly side of the book, so it doesn't look ugly in it. I want it black, almost to replicate the black leather on Gucci stuff, because I didn't want to use green because there's a lot of green already with the ribbon. So stick this in the middle. I'm just like messing around with the placement right now. But definitely the ribbon for me is going in the middle, so I'd say put that in the middle. And of course we've not put the vinyl on yet, so we're just trying to see the space we have, because it's good to kind of know. And my advice would be take a picture when it's all said and done, so you would know where everything is going to be placed. That way when you have glue, you're not like confused and sticking things in the wrong place, because it's going to be a mess. So really like put the placement together before you get ready. Okay, so I'm now going to start putting the vinyl on, and don't worry, the inside can be as messy as you want. Who's looking? Seriously, like who's gonna read this? It's not really a readable book anyway. Like it's got nothing to do with Gucci. The inside is completely different. I don't even know what this book was about. So yeah, just, you know, stick it anyhow you want. I cut the corners off at the very edge, so I've already done this off camera. And this is so easy to use. It's already got glue on it. You don't have to worry about stuff like that. And it's going to have this nice slight matte shiny finish, if that makes sense. And that's how it's going to look after. Just dust it off. Okay, and so I'm just showing you how I wrapped it. It's so easy to use. Whoever invented this is a genius. Just wrap your books and, you know, it just covers all of that and it makes it literally a whole new book. Even as it is now, it's perfect. You can just buy a bunch of books like this, wrap them. You don't have to go all out like I did to put all the stickers on, but you can just put like a sticker saying Gucci on it and it looks like it's a Gucci book. Cut the edges off like that. Okay, so this is where the fun begins. So get your ribbon, and I've already cut it out, and just see if it fits. Okay, so here's my ribbon and I've got the glue down. I'm just gonna press it down gently, of course, and use my fingers to just firm it out. Make sure it just stays firm and there's no bubbles, nothing like that. Make it as neat as possible. You don't want it to look tacky. So press it down, make sure everything is right in place. Okay, so now that's drying, I'm gonna get the bee, you know, that little tiny bee from earlier, and have it directly in the middle. See, I could have put Gucci across here, but I decided not to. I'm not going to use their logo in this at all. I'm just taking like the likeness of it with this bee, and I think that just looks so much, you know, I mean, everyone knows this is Gucci, so I'm just going to put the bee in the middle. I could have used the logo, but I decided not to. It's just going to be way too much. So just stick that bee in the middle. I don't like the glue. Get rid of the glue before it dries. Okay, so now it's time to do the front of it, and I've got glue on this. I'm gonna put this in the middle. Oh, I've got glue on my nails. Dang, that's not a good thing. Okay, so yeah, okay. Regroup, rearrange myself. Let me get myself together. Okay, so make sure you press every little corner down. Be really careful getting glue everywhere, because this glue, once it's on, like there's no going back. It has no forgiveness. Okay, and just press that down firmly. Make sure everything is in place. Okay, so now I'm just gonna stick everything in place. So it's done. Oh my god, it looks like Gucci. Gucci Mane, where are you at? Like, come and see this book. This is for you. But anyway, did I say that right? Gucci Mane. The British accent is just off sometimes saying American names. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Here it is. I hope you dolls try it, and let me know if you do. Tag me on Instagram. I'll put my information down below. I love it. It's just perfect. And then after this, I'm going to show you the whole collection of all the books I've done so far. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe down below. Let me know what you like about this video, and I will see you beautiful dolls in the next video. So definitely check out the collection right after this. Bye, love you dolls. So I have Chanel, Gucci, Louboutin and Jimmy Choo. I love my designer inspired coffee table books, and I can't wait to use them. They look more beautiful in person, like knockout beautiful. Check out all the videos of all of them. They're down below in my videos, so go and